What's going on, everybody? Welcome to my updated YouTube channel. So I'm gonna show you how to do an oil change on a B58 M240i X drive. Yes, X drive is a little bit different than the rear wheel drive ones because they take a little bit more quarts of oil. But yeah, X drive M240. Yeah, let's get it started. First things you guys want to do, jack up the car, look for the jack pads.
Well, that makes sense because it's a lot.
Next, what you guys want to do, access the little port right here. Hold it, twist it, pops right out. Then you have your oil drain bolt right there.
Bro, where the fuck is the oil filter on this shit?
All the way in the back.
In the back?
Yeah. On the right. On the right side. Oh my God. Bro, this shit is spilling like a motherfucker. Next thing y'all want to do, after you spill the oil all over the floor, get your little oil filter tool. Get this one off of Amazon, 32 millimeter. Slap it on there, remove the oil filter. Alright, so after y'all get a new extension, y'all do, hold on, where the fuck is the flash at? Alright, now after that, you wanna, I can't see what the fuck I'm doing, but you get one of these, loosen it, bow. Just like that, keep it going, you heard? Alright, once you get your oil filter out, it's gonna look exactly like this. Super long filter. Put your 32 millimeter on top of this, just rotate it. Here goes a new oil filter, UFI, straight from FCP Euro. Now take out the old filter, put the new one in. The old one just pops out, throw the new one in, screw it back in. Take your big ass extension, fucking crank pulley, throw it on there. Hand thread it on first, make sure everything goes in smoothly. My bad, had to take it back out. You wanna change this O-ring right here. This O-ring right here. Take your little pick tool, stick it under there, pick it out. This is the old one, it just slips right in here. Make sure it's on the right one, rotate it, then lube it up with some oil, and it'll seal tight. Next, you get yourself some liquid moly, 020. This car takes 7.6 quarts of oil, almost 8. This is for X drive cars only. All right. You want to start it up? Make sure everything is good. Let it warm up, let it idle. 7.6 quarts. All right. Let it idle up. Make sure everything's running good, no leaks, no nothing. Go underneath the car. I already did that, so I don't gotta do it. Make sure that's tight. Let it warm up. And after you do that, check the oil. I'm gonna show you how to check the oil. Next thing you guys wanna do, navigate to the car settings in the iDrive system, click vehicle status, oil level, and then engine oil measurement, click that. The car must be warm, so check that first. Then just press start measurement. And the idle is gonna raise a little bit. Make sure you're on a flat surface because sometimes it can give a little bit inaccurate readings. But it's gonna do that for a little bit. and then I'll check in with you guys once it reaches 100%. All right, so as you guys can see, we're at the max and we should be good. All right guys, so that concludes this video. This is how you successfully change your oil on a 2022 M240. As you can see, she's running good. Now, gonna take it for a test drive.